Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add page numbers inside Canva. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, go ahead and open up your Canva app on your PC, laptop or phone. And once you're here and you've got your pages and you want to add in page numbers, there's no direct way of doing this. You've got to manually do this yourself. So to do that, you want to add in a text box, so click on the text symbol there, and then you can add in a heading. Any one of these headings will do, and then from here just type in 1 because it's going to be the first page, and then what you want to do is line this up to whatever corner, wherever you want your numbers to be, and then obviously make it a lot smaller. So I'm just going to make it about that size, then hit Control C. Next page, Control V, and change that to 2, and then copy that again and do that to the third page like so, and keep doing that for as many pages that you got. Also, you can add in an element. You can put some shapes here like so, make it smaller, and then pop that behind the number 2, but then obviously you got to go down and reapply it to every page as well. And if it appears on top like so, simply click on it, click on layer, and then click on center back. So yeah, that's how you add page numbers inside Canva. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.